Giorgio was a man who thought he was a loner, but he knew it couldn't last. Giorgio left his home in Tucson, Arizona, for some California grass. Get back, get back, get back the way you once belonged. Get back, get back, get back the way you once belonged. Hi, I'm Vasco and today we're taking a look at Get Back by the Beatles. We're going to do it in the original key on a high G string ukulele. Grab yours and let's see how to play this one. Alright, it's easy to fall into the trap that this is an easy song. It could be played easily, but here we'll add some details. Of course, you can cut the details and just play it a little bit bare bone. So we start with the chord of A, right? The intro, and I'm playing this down, up, 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 down, up, 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 down, up, 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 down, up, down, down, G to D. I'm grabbing the D with one finger here because for me it's easier, and also after that we have D6 and D7, which kind of makes it way easier to transfer between D and D6 or D and D7. So I would suggest you, if you can, grab it with one finger. 1, 2, 3, 4. And here we start the verse, for which we play A, but also we're adding the 6th note here with the ring finger on the 2nd fret. So we are playing one without it and one with it. All right? Alright, A, A6, A, A6. I'll not write it there because it will get a little bit cluttered, but pretty much except in the intro, everywhere we have A chord only in the bar, we play A to A6, right? And also the same as D, D to D6, D to D6, A to A6, alright? Alright, this is the verse, so it goes something like this. Giorgio was a man who thought he was a loner, but he knew it couldn't last. Giorgio left his home in Tucson, Arizona, for some California grass. Get back, and here we go to the chorus, for which we play this A, and then I'm playing here on the E string open 2nd, and here playing the A7 chord. All right, get back. There is the 2nd guitar that if you want to you can add, or if it's too complicated for you just skip it, but I'm adding here the pinky on the 4th fret of the A string and I do down, down, get back, get back, get back. And here on D, I play the chord of D, and then on the E string 2nd fret, 3rd fret, melody on the A string open, and here D7, down, down, back to A to A7, but here immediately G to D, right? Actually, all the different times we play the chords, it's slightly different, so this is the first chorus, right? Get back, get back, get back to where you once belonged. Get back, get back, get back to where you once belonged. Alright, and after that we go to the solo, for which basically we're just playing A to A6, A, A6, A, A6, A, A6, D, D6, D, D6, A, A6, G, D, A, A6, A, A6, A, A6, A, A6, D, D6, D, D6, A, A6, G, D. The good news is that the solo is always the same, no matter if it's the first solo, which is the guitar solo, the second solo is the keys solo, and the third solo is again the guitar solo, but the harmonics behind are all the same. And after the first solo we go to the second chorus, which is a little bit different than the first one. So we don't play the A to A7 on the first line, we actually keep on playing this get back, get back, the thing with the A6. Get back, get back, get back to where you once belong. Basically the same thing as the solo, but the second line is different. We start with A to A7 again with the little element that I showed you. Get back, get back. And the third bar is also A here. Get back to where you once belong. And here there is another element. All right. So in the second chorus we are adding one more bar. But what is this? Basically it's over the chord of D. I'm grabbing here the C string on the 5th fret, E string on the 4th fret, and I slide them. All right. And then with the pinky 9th fret. Then the same here, 3rd fret of the C string, 2nd fret of the E string, sliding it 1 fret, and then here with the pinky on the 7th fret, and then on the C string and E string 2nd fret, and the pinky on the 5th fret. All right, and after that, the extra bar actually. This is basically the C chord. I'm playing the C and E string open, then A string 3rd fret, and then slightly playing the G chord, right? So and we get to another solo. So let's see the second chorus all together. Get back, get back, get back to where you once belong. Get back, get back, get back to where you once belong. And here's the piano solo. And after that we have the second verse, which is exactly the same as the first one. And then we have the same chords as the first one, the solo is the same. And after the third solo, we have the outro chorus. Get back, get back, get back to where you once belong. Get back, get back, get back to where you once belong. Here D, and we finish it with this thing. But just the first part, without the C to G, right? And this is how we basically end the song. And that sums up my tutorial for Get Back by the Beatles. It will be easier if you have access to the learning materials, the printable, and also the interactive tabs for the little elements. It will help you learn it faster and more efficiently. So if you want to, get them in the link in the description. Thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you on the next one. Goodbye.